Hey, so it's 6 weeks after I've given birth before I ordered this. Now I eventually figured out why people buy, like a set of feeding bottle instead of just one like I did. I'm like, I mean, what's the point? It's just one baby, but actually there's a point. So this set comes with a lot of things, sterilizer, anti-colic, self-sterilizing bottles, which is the main reason why I bought this, because I mean, I don't want my baby to be sick and crying and have colics, just that. Keeps items sterile for up to 48 hours. So let's unbox this bad boy. Oh my. Nice. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now I'm going to go check to make sure that it fits in my microwave, because this has been my biggest issue. Because I actually bought the sterilizing bags, like the ones that was introduced to me in the hospital, which I used, and it didn't fit in the microwave. Like, it fit in the microwave, but it's too tall for the microwave. My microwave is short, so yeah. Let's see if this fits. If it doesn't, I'm sending it right back immediately. Unfortunately, it's too big for my microwave. I have to send it back. I knew it. Immediately I finished ordering, I was like, damn, I forgot to check the size, like the height. Anyways, I guess we'll have to order again.